Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace that trim. If yours is damaged or you want to do some custom work on it like carbon fiber or something like that on a Jetta MK6 from 2011 all the way until 2016. Stay with us and we're gonna show you how to do that now. Alright guys, we need to put the car in the gear shift all the way to the back so it's out of the way. And what we are going to do now, you need to get your fingers right here and carefully not to break, you need to pull that trim out. Once you get it going, it's really convenient if you use a prying tool. That way you know you're not gonna do any damage to it. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, just like that. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get the shifter in park so we can get that annoying beep out of the way. And in order to remove that trim now guys, we have a wire for the passenger airbag right here that we will need to disconnect. So this one could be a little bit tricky. Okay, once I remove it, I'll show you. Right here actually there is two little knobs. Okay, so if you spread those, okay, the ones right here, it's going to come off, so you can leave it there. And that's the trim piece guys. If yours is damaged, that's how you remove it, that's how you replace it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.